Hi, this is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We're going to start a new series of videos today. The series is going to be called the Manager's Minute. These videos are designed for you if you're an emerging leader and you've just become a manager for the first time in your career, or maybe you've just been a manager for a short time and you don't have it all figured out yet. I think you'll find all of these videos quite interesting. So let's dig in, shall we? The first thing I want to talk to you about is this. It's an essential element of being a great manager when you surround yourself with the very best talent that you can. If you watch sports, I watch quite a few myself, you'll notice that great coaches can bring out greatness in a team. But if you're a great coach and you got a really rotten team around you, you are not winning the Super Bowl, my friend. You got to have not only great leadership, great coaching, but you got to have great players. So that's the first in our lessons about management. Surround yourself with great talent all of the time. See you next time.